Dewey from Colorado Mall Crawlers, kind enough to join us today and get some awesome drone footage. How you doing, sir?
Hey, my camper's up there. I'm gonna land the drone and then I can meet you real quick. I'll be quick.
So today we are doing the I'm trying to find his camper. Oh, there it is. All right. So today we are doing the Alpine Loop, going from Corkscrew Gulch to California, and then Engineer, and coming back Cinnamon Pass. Should be a good day. Got a good crew with us. Got Dewey from Colorado Mall Crawlers out here today, getting some nice drone footage for us. He camped over here last night. There's some beautiful campsites out here. So we're just gonna stop here for a second. Yesterday when we had the 3 of us Trailhawks going down energy.
This is what I love about when I'm with you guys. I did get a screen and it's here. It's the best.
that was a test for these Continental highway tires. Probably wasn't the greatest idea to do that section, but it worked, I guess. Take the harder line, huh? It harder. But look at these views though. This place is amazing. And we got a stock Jeep Cherokee doing this, stock Grand Cherokee doing this. You can do this, people. It's a lot of fun. Beautiful day to be out on the trails in Colorado. Perfect day, sunshine, happy clouds, blue sky.
That's the Cherokee.
And what do we have coming down the trail at us? I like your Jeep, man.